This video will show you how to set up RSS feed inside your Telegram bot. To do this, we first have to create an account on rss.app. Once you have logged in, go to the left-hand side, click on Bots and Alert. Right here, you have the option to connect to your Telegram app. So hit Connect Bot, and this will prompt a page asking you to log in into your Telegram app. So click on Login, and you will be directed to enter your phone number to connect to your Telegram. Once you have entered the phone number associated with your Telegram app, you will receive a message inside the Telegram asking you to confirm the connection with rss.app. Right here, we can hit Confirm. Once the connection is accepted, go back to rss.app. You will see this prompt, and you will hit Accept. Now, the next prompt that we can set up is to set up our alert. For this example, we are setting up our Forbes content. Once you have selected the feed, click on Next, and you will enter the name for the feed. For this example, we're going to just say Test, and we're going to hit Save. And on this page, you get to add the channel or a group that you would like to feed the content to. On this page, you get to select which channel or group that you would like to feed the content to. For this example, we're using channel. So click on the drop-down list and hit Add Bot to Channel. And right here, you want to copy this bot username. Click on the three dots and go to Manage Channel. Scroll all the way down, click on Subscribers. Right here, you will add the RSS bot as an admin. So paste in the username we copied earlier, select that one, and hit Add. And it's going to ask you, do you want to make this as an admin? You will say yes. And now hit Save. And you will receive a message saying that the new spot has been activated, and go back inside your rss.app and hit Click and Verify. Now, when you click on the drop-down list, you can select AI Automation, which is the channel on your Telegram app. Now hit Save. And this is exactly how you can set up RSS bot inside your Telegram group or channel.